During college, I joined a Forex pyramid trading scheme, and I knew exactly what it was. I'm not stupid. Like, my friend actually called me on the phone when he saw me making this decision because we were on an Instagram live, and she was trying to encourage me to join in. And he was like, Faith, this sounds sketchy. This sounds like a pyramid scheme. And I was like, I know. But at that point, I was so desperate to make money online. I have been trying for the past 2 years because I realized I didn't want to continue living the life where I just work for somebody else and up until retirement. So I wanted to figure out how can I make money online. And I remember when I looked up how to do it, day trading popped up. So that's what led me down the path to day trade. And I was trying to figure it out, but nothing was working, which led me to thinking, okay, I'm desperate. I just want to make some money online to say that I've done it. And I saw this Forex pyramid scheme popping up on my Instagram back when I was on it. So I joined it. And when I got inside, they just literally pushed you to either get more people inside, and the more people you got inside, the less you had to pay to be in there, and the more money you'd make, or just copy people's trades that they would hop on and tell you, buy this and get out this time, this, that, the third. And I lost a lot of money in that scheme because the traders weren't even that good. I did make a little bit of money, but it was nothing that, like, I didn't replace what I have lost, basically. But I remember there was this one thing from joining this Forex trading scheme that I think was meant for me. And I think that's why I was put in there to join it. Before we had one of our trades, one of the traders, he liked to speak about, like, inspirational things beforehand. I never listened to it because I'm like, bro, I don't care. I just want to make money. Can we just get into this trade? But one day I actually listened to it and heard him out. And this day he was talking about how to get what you want from life, how to reach your goals, how to live your best life, how to live your dream life. And he was saying that no matter what you go through, if you have a goal, if you have a dream, the world will do everything it can to take your focus off of that. You're going to have a lot of problems pop up and a lot of setbacks and a lot of doubts and a lot of internal battles. And that's all because you have something you want. But I remember him saying, despite all of that, you have got to stay focused on what you want. Because if you stay focused, no matter what comes your way, you will get to where you're going. And when I heard that, it sparked something within me. Because it made me realize the only thing that really matters in this life and getting the success that you want is staying focused on what you want. Despite everything that's going on around you, you stay focused and you stay locked in. And when I heard that message and it, like, resonated within me, I left the Forex pyramid trading scheme and I actually stopped trading altogether because I realized if focus is all that matters to reaching your goals, that means I can technically reach whatever goal I want. And since I didn't really like trading, I was only in it for the money. That allowed me to say, okay, well, if I can do whatever I want and I can make a living off whatever I want, as long as I stay focused on the fact that I want to do this, no matter what it is, and make a living off of it, then no matter what comes my way, I will get there. And so that inspired me to go all in on what I'm doing right now. And I've spent years doing this. I mean, this is my third channel. I've spent years learning about self-improvement and speaking in front of a camera and growing my skills and growing my confidence, which led me to finding out the business I wanted to start, or the business model, and learning more about business and getting clients and making things like courses and whatever materials they need to help them grow. Like, I went down that path. And I'm starting to see, like, the fruits of my labor finally pop up after all this time. And I'm not where I want to be at, but I'm so much closer than before. And it's all because, despite everything that happened in my life, I stay focused on showing up to record videos, to read self-improvement books, to study myself, to grow, to challenge myself, and to try to figure out this business thing and make money online doing what I want to do. And I want to give that same message to you, because if you're still watching this, you resonated with my message, and you're most likely doing something for the money. Not because you like it, but because you want to be financially free, and that's been a goal of yours for a very long time. You can do that. Like, you can get financial freedom, but you don't have to do that doing something you don't love. The secret to getting whatever you want from this life, I'm telling you, is to just stay focused on it no matter what happens in your life. That is it. If I threw you 10,000 balls and you're playing softball, and you keep swinging and swinging, and you keep missing it, but you stay focused on the fact that you want to hit that ball, eventually you will hit it. Most people, though, they would give up after the third swing. They limit themselves. Oh, I can't try no more. 3 times is enough. No, strike out. But 1%, the people who are actually on top, they don't care. Like, they don't care how many times they fail. All they care is doing and getting closer to their goals. And with every swing, they know they're getting closer to that one time where they hit it. And then they make the home run, and everything is forever changed. So I just wanted to give you that little bit of hope. You can get whatever you want from this life. You don't have to live a life you're not happy with. And you don't have to do something you don't want to do just because you want to be financially free. Because the ultimate key is to stay focused on what you want. Because as long as you do that, you will achieve whatever it is you want in due time. Now, if you got this far into the video and you're like, okay, I get you. Okay, I'm going to stay focused on what I want. And I'm going to do that no matter what comes my way so that I can achieve it. No matter how long it takes, I'm going to do this. But you aren't really sure how to start, then don't worry. I made a starter kit just for you. It is in my description. It's the first thing. You can go get that. No pressure, though. You don't have to. But if you want that guidance, then that will be there for you. Regardless, you've got this. And I will see you for the next video.